Good morning, students. Our next topic in chapter 4 is separation of two liquids which do not get mixed up with each other. The liquids which do not get mixed up with each other, they are called immiscible liquids, means जो आपस में mix नहीं होते हैं. When we pour them or when we take them in a beaker, they separate out in different layer or separate layer. You can see we are trying to mix water and oil, but after some time we see that water comes at the bottom while oil remains at the top. Now how will you separate these two liquids? In order to separate these two liquids, here is an activity. This is separating funnel made up of glass or plastic maybe. Okay, now pour the mixture of oil and water in this separating funnel and wait for some time. After some time we see that oil remains at the top while water comes at the bottom. Keep the beaker just below the separating funnel and rotate the stopcock. On rotating stopcock, water moves in the downward direction. When oil comes near the tip of the stopcock, rotate back the stopcock so oil and water get separates out. जैसे ही आप stopcock को रोटेट करते हो, पानी नीचे आ जाता है, तेल इसके यहाँ तक आ जाएगा और इस तरीके से तेल और पानी सेपरेट हो जाते हैं. Hence, water and oil get separated. Now, till now, we have discussed different methods of separation. Means when only two substances get mixed up with each other. Now, what happens if more than two substances get mixed up with each other? How will you separate them? Some examples are given here in activity 8. We have sugar, sand and iron nails. Means these are 3 in number. How will you separate them? Now we have to use here 2-3 methods to separate them. For example, sugar and sand are not attracted towards the magnet. So firstly, we will separate iron nails by using magnet. So it is called magnetic separation. Means nails get separate out from sugar and sand. Now, number 2, how will you separate sugar and sand? In order to separate sugar and sand, dissolve both of them in water. आप शुगर और सैंड लो, उसको वाटर के अंदर डिजोल्व कर दो. Sugar will get dissolved in water while sand will settle down after some time. Now we have to separate the sand from this water containing sugar. Means चीनी के पानी में से अब हमें sand separate करनी है. For that we will use filtration technique. Filtration technique से जब आप इसे फिल्टर करोगे, सैंड ऊपर आ जाएगा और शुगर सॉल्यूशन नीचे आ जाएगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि सैंड वाटर में डिजॉल्व नहीं होता, सो इट रिमेन्स एट द टॉप. नाउ थर्ड मेथड मीन्स वी गेट iron nails. Now we have iron nails and sand. We need sugar now. Actually here now sugar is dissolved in water. So we have to separate now sugar from this water. In order to separate sugar from this water, we heat the sugar solution till water evaporates. At the end, sugar crystals will be left behind. और आखिर में आपके शुगर के क्रिस्टल्स रह जाएंगे. जब आप चीनी के पानी को बॉईल करोगे, वाटर इवेपोरेट हो जाएगा और शुगर के क्रिस्टल्स रह जाएंगे. तो हमें ये तीनों चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल बेटा. To separate salt, here salt means common salt which we used to eat at home, ammonium chloride and sand. Beta, in this you can see that ammonium chloride is a salt which is sublimable. Sublimable means directly changes from solid to gaseous state. So, if we heat the mixture of all these three, we find that salt and sand, salt plus sand remain in the china dish, while ammonium chloride sublime. This is ammonium chloride. It gets sublime, means changes into gaseous state and stick towards the inner surface of this funnel. So we are left with now salt and sand. अब आपके पास salt और sand है, उसे separate करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We will dissolve salt and sand again in water, same as we had done with sugar and sand. Salt will dissolve in water. So by using the filtration technique, sand will remain at the top as residue, while the filtrate is salty water. अब ये जो salty water है, इसमें से if you have to separate salt, we will heat the mixture. After some time, we observe that water evaporates and salt is left behind. Means जब हम इसको heat करेंगे तो water evaporate हो जाएगा और नीचे क्या रह जाएगा? नमक रह जाएगा. So this was all about this chapter. Now after this activity, in next video I will share the activities of this chapter. Now go through the keywords. Many new words are here in your syllabus, like centrifugation, decantation, then evaporation, filtration. All these are new words for you. Go through them, beta. If you find any difficulty, you can ask, and then try to do part A, B, C, D and E of the chapter.